Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Math Olympiad questions. There are two questions in this video. Let's start. The first question is, a train moving at 54 kilometers per hour crosses a bridge of length 150 meters in 20 seconds. Find the length of the train. So read the question carefully and understand it, what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find the length of the train. Let's see how to solve this problem. Speed of the train equals to 54 km per hour. Convert speed to meter per second. 54 km per hour equals to 54 multiplied by 1000 meters per 3600 seconds. 54 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. Zeros will get cancelled. 2 5 ja 10, 2 18 ja 36, 18 1 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54, 5 3 ja 15 meter per second. Time taken to cross the bridge equals to 20 seconds. Distance covered in 20 seconds equals to speed into time. We know both values. Speed is 15 meter per second multiplied by 20 seconds, 300 meters. This distance includes the length of the bridge and the length of the train. Length of the bridge equals to 150 meters. Length of the train equals to distance covered minus length of the bridge. 300 meters minus 150 meters equals to 150 meters. So the length of the train is 150 meters. For a clear understanding, let's review the full solution again. Take a few seconds to go through the entire video and see how I solve this problem. The second question is, Janu made some paper cranes for her friends. Each day she made 5 more cranes than the day before. She made 33 cranes on the 6th day. How many cranes did Janu make on the first day? So let's see how to solve this problem. Janu made 33 cranes on the 6th day. Since she made 5 more paper cranes each day than the day before, we can subtract 5 cranes from the 6th day to find the number of cranes made on the 5th day. So 33 minus 5 equals to 28 cranes on the 5th day. Similarly, subtracting 5 cranes from the 5th day, 28 minus 5 equals to 23 cranes on the 4th day. 23 minus 5 equals to 18 cranes on the 3rd day. 18 minus 5 equals to 13 cranes on the 2nd day. 13 minus 5 equals to 8 cranes on the 1st day. So Janu made 8 cranes on the 1st day. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts regarding these problems, please ask me in the comment section. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos.